This ASMR creature isn't real. I never showed my face, never used my voice. Today I'm going to show you how to build a faceless AI avatar that makes ASMR content from scratch in Google Flow. One weird character, 4 types of ASMR, all free. Faceless ASMR is one of the easiest niches to blow up right now, but everyone uses the same recycled footage. A custom character nobody's ever seen? That's what makes people subscribe. Stick around, the character trick is the whole thing. Everything's made in Google Flow, completely free. The secret to a faceless channel that actually grows isn't the sounds, it's a character people remember. Meet Luma, a glowing little forest spirit, kind of cute, kind of creepy. That uncanny look is exactly why people stop scrolling. And by the end of the video, you'll have your own character and 4 ASMR formats ready to post forever. First, design the character. I prompt Flow for something weird on purpose. Translucent skin, huge glossy eyes, long fingers. The weirder, the more clickable. Now the most important part, consistency. If Luma looks different every clip, the channel feels fake. So after you generate your front picture, click on the Create Body button, and here we will generate a triptych. A photo that shows Luma from the front, left side, and right side. So the prompt should look something like this. Now these 2 pictures make up your reference so that every generation is consistent. You can either download them or just save the character as whole and use it as a reference. So to sum up, make a weird character, lock it with a 3-view sheet, and you are ready to go. Now let's make her eat something. We will make Luma eat, but not normal food since she is not a human. Luma eats glowing jelly cubes and tiny honey drops, stuff that looks as satisfying as it sounds. 2 angles work best. An extreme close-up on the bite for the squish, and a wider one on her hands picking up the honey. Prompt for soft, squishy chewing sounds and sticky mouth sounds. Flow leans into the audio when you spell it out. Glowing food clips are some of the most shared ASMR on Shorts right now. They are pure scroll stoppers. Before you generate anything, copy my settings so that you can generate as much as possible. Alright, let me show you how the videos came out. As you can see, they are very entertaining and realistic. Out of these 4 categories, I think this one is my favorite based on the sounds. Now for the micro summary. Weird glowing food equals satisfying and clickable. Next up, we make sounds with nothing but water and glass. If a faceless channel that runs on AI sounds like your thing, hit subscribe. I post free AI workflows like this every week. This one's the most relaxing and honestly the easiest. Luma pours water between glass bottles and uses her magical powers to make ASMR water sounds. The 2 setups are nothing more than a slow pour from a tall bottle into a jar and tapping or swirling the water using magic. The glowing veins and Luma's power make it look magical. That's the Luma twist on a classic sound. Have a listen. I love the realism in the water animation as well as the sound. It makes me want to go to sleep. To put everything into a sentence, glass plus water plus glow, calmest video on the channel. Now the one that hooks people the hardest. It's brushing ASMR. People love that brushing sound. It's a sound that gains traction quick. This, eating and water get the views. Here's the trick most people miss. If you make your character interact with the viewer, like in the first clip I will show you, it gains views even faster. People love interactive videos, and if we put it together with ASMR, we get ourselves a viral clip. In the second clip, I let go of the interactive aspect and just make Luma brush a mushroom, which makes great sounds as well. Just take a look at both clips and tell me what you think. Aren't they just great? Sounds like that really get me tingly all over. But we still have one more category, and I think it's the most crispy of them all. Category 4, tapping and scratching. And this is where Luma's long fingernails pay off. I think this is the one that Google Flow makes the clearest to hear and best sounding. I have prompted 2 types of clips which I think are people's favorites. 2 textures, hard taps on a glass jar for that crisp rhythmic sound, and slow scratching on soft fuzzy surfaces. Hard and soft back to back keeps the ear interested. Let's listen to it together. I told you, it sounds super crispy. Now for the micro summary one last time. Tapping is the crispest, most replayable sound, and it shows off the character. Okay, 4 categories done. But how do you turn 8-second clips into a real video? Here's the catch with Flow. You get 8 seconds at a time. But we can bypass it pretty easily. We chain clips, screenshot the last frame, feed it back in, and the next 8 seconds continue seamlessly. A few of those and you've got one long flowing shot. Stitch a handful of 8-second clips per category and you've got a few minutes ASMR video. Fully faceless, fully AI. So now you've got a faceless ASMR machine pumping out videos. New problem, you've got to post all of them. YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Reels, Instagram, different sizes, different captions every single day. That's hours of busy work that kills the whole runs itself dream. That's where repurpose.io comes in. It automates the uploads. You publish once and it auto reformats and pushes your videos to every platform on autopilot. For a faceless channel like this, it's the missing piece. It's literally what turns it into a system that runs without you. Links in the description, it's free to start, and if you're serious about scaling this, it's a no-brainer. Now let's wrap it up. So that's a faceless AI ASMR channel. 1 custom character, 4 sound types, all free in Google Flow. Comment what my next character should be. A robot? A slime monster? Drop it below and I'll build the weirdest one. I will also link a video you will enjoy as well. See you there.